Welcome to TFRCC TV, the Faithfully Rising Christian Community, a Catholic spiritual content channel dedicated to reflections, masses, adorations, gospel music, documentaries, and more. Our content is created for the Catholic community worldwide. While our platform is open to all, please be aware that the material presented here is exclusively intended for Catholics. We hold respect for all beliefs and do not seek to offend or convert followers of other religions. Thank you for joining us on our spiritual journey.
My dear children, today is the 14th Sunday of the Ordinary Time, and today we have in the Gospel Jesus sending out his disciples in twos, the 12 disciples. Now you may wonder why Jesus sent them in twos, and who went with whom, who went with Peter, who went with John, that we cannot find the detail. But it is said that Jesus sent them two by two. You know that we need company, we need friends, and the work of Jesus was difficult, and that's why Jesus thought of having a company of a good friend who will support you, who will be there with you, because as we know, many people rejected the teachings of Jesus. They even opposed, they even threatened the life of the disciples. And that's why having a companion on a journey or to do the Lord's work is very important. The same thing reflects on our life. If we have a friend, a true friend, we know that a friend can be an elixir in life, means a support. And a friend in need is a friend indeed. This we have heard many times. My dear children, let us look within ourselves. Who are our friends? Are our friends with us when we have so many things, or when we don't possess the things that they want, they just depart from us? Let us ask ourselves, what is the core principle that hold our friendship together? And we know that the Lord is the greatest friend for all of us, and we need the Lord's grace. So let us ask Jesus to give us a true friend who will stand by us, who will support us in anything difficult that we undertake.